Hello everybody and happy March. 20 more days it will be spring. So this is my March grocery, my first March grocery haul from Aldi's, and I wanted to share it with you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Kiddos Koral. I'm Heidi, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. So let me share with you. I don't even know where to start because I might get an avalanche of some sort if I move one thing. You guys are going to think I'm crazy, but I bought a couple more things of tartar sauce because my mother-in-law came over and stole some from me, and I stocked up on that. I got 2 things of tomato ketchup because I didn't have any ketchup. Out of all the groceries in this house, no ketchup whatsoever. Craziest thing. I got 2 things of coffee. So this brand right here is the breakfast blend, and Ronnie and I are drinking the house blend
as we speak.
And it is really, really good. I like their coffees. Okay, let's see what else we got here. We've got some black olives. We got 2 things of black olives.
Well, they go real well around here.
Yeah, those are mine, not yours. We got some Kraft American single slices of cheese. We got some hot Italian sausage and some pork chops.
All of them are mine, not yours.
No. This is chicken lo mein. They did not have the egg rolls today. And I could have cried because the egg rolls are so good with this. But I might try to shimmy to the other Aldi's before we eat this and try to get some egg rolls because they are really the bomb. They are so good. We're going to have pizza, so got some mozzarella. I didn't make this. I bought this. Mozzarella. So I got 2 big bags of mozzarella. Got 2 big bags of the mild cheddar cheese. And this is the Friendly Farms brand, not the unfriendly farms. We got some blocks of cheese, so I've got a mild cheddar, because Ronnie likes to eat a little cheese, so I thought I better pick up just a little bit of cheese. Got a couple cans of Rotel, because I put this in my Mexican cornbread. We got 2 things of eggs. I got 2 things of whipped topping. Mega thing of this right here. And we got some butter over there. We've got some vegetable oil. I got 2 things of mayonnaise. Got a big package of classic Caesar, what are these called? Croutons. That is the word I'm looking for. A bag of flour. A thing of celery. That's Ronnie's. Ronnie likes celery.
Oh, that's all yours, though.
He hates celery. Okay, so I got a family pack of ground beef that I'm going to split up and put in the freezer. I got 2 boxes of the Jiffy Mix. I got another pine-scented Glade plug-in because these are obviously out of season, and I just scored another one because Ronnie really loves the smell of that.
Oh, yes.
And so I wanted to make sure I had that on hand. I got 3 things of ranch seasoning because I ran into it, and I like to stay stocked on that. Let's see, we got a couple zucchini because I'll probably saute that and have that one night with something that we eat. Got some almond bark for some Easter recipes, so be looking forward to that coming up. Got some ham lunch meat. And this is the hickory smoked ham.
That's the good sandwich meat.
Yeah, it's going to be real good. We got some Chobani strawberry Greek yogurt in the big tub. I got 2 bunches of the bananas because I eat them, and if I don't eat them and they start going bad, I love to make banana bread or banana muffins, and gotta have those. I also thought I might make my recipe that is the banana, it's the Duke for the banana snack cakes. I actually can make a 9x13 of them, and it is really good. I think my in-laws would really like that cake. I haven't shown them that one yet. We got another thing of mild cheddar cheese in the block. We got 2 things of cream of chicken soup and 2 things of cream of mushroom soup. Another thing of butter, because you got to have butter to cook with. 2 things of vanilla pudding. Let's see. We got some Nutella, and this is their brand. I love this stuff. I thought, you know what? This with banana on toast. So good for breakfast. Love that. Got some sour cream down here. Some bacon bits. I got some Gain laundry detergent. This was only $4. You can't beat that. All right, let's see. This is my other thing of whipped topping. We got my hazelnut creamer. I got my onions. This is my minced garlic. We got fish fillets because Ronnie loves crunchy fish fillets.
Makes me smarter.
It makes him smarter. We got some storage bags because I needed this size to split up the ground beef I bought. Got some Oreos. Got a gallon of milk. 2 things of wild blueberry muffin mix. Thank you, hon. And 2 loaves of bread. This is a split loaf, and it just looks so good, and I can't wait to have me a good sandwich. But that is all I bought from Aldi's. I hope you guys enjoyed. This cost me $149 and some change. My goal being $150 for the first of the month.
One thing, we're sure going to enjoy using it.
That's right. Oh, you know what? I forgot something. We got some wavy potato chips.
Oh, really?
And I got a giant box of Frosted Flakes because I love them.
Frosted Flakes.
And I got a 10-pound bag of taters. Yeah. So, yeah, that's everything now. I hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul. Say bye, Ronnie.
Bye, all you good people. And we are so glad that you tuned in. We want to say we love you. And you keep tuning in for future programs because she does an excellent job. That's my baby.
Did you hear that? I do an excellent job. And you're my baby too, honey bun.
I love you, sweetie.
I love you too. Guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and we will be seeing you all again soon. And remember, Aldi's is the place to get all your grocery needs. Bye, guys.